Dinosaurs are among the most fascinating and enduring creatures to ever walk the earth. For more than 165 million years, they thrived, diversified, and dominated nearly every ecosystem on the planet, from the tiny, bird-like Microraptor to the enormous Argentinosaurus. Dinosaurs came in all shapes and sizes. But what made them so successful? Why did they thrive for millions of years, while other groups of animals disappeared? To answer these questions, we need to examine their biology, behavior, environment, and evolutionary innovations. One of the key factors behind dinosaur success was their incredible diversity. Dinosaurs evolved into thousands of species, adapting to every available ecological niche. They were not confined to a single diet, habitat, or behavior. Some were massive herbivores, like Brachiosaurus and Triceratops, capable of reaching and consuming vegetation that no other animals could access. Others were swift predators, like Velociraptor and Tyrannosaurus rex, masters of hunting and strategy. Still others were small, agile, and lightly feathered, capable of flight or gliding. This diversity allowed dinosaurs to occupy nearly every environment on land, from dense forests to open plains, from river valleys to coastal areas. Another factor in their success was their advanced physiology. Dinosaurs had efficient respiratory and circulatory systems that supported high levels of activity. Many scientists believe that some dinosaurs were warm-blooded, or at least had a metabolism that allowed them to maintain high energy levels, which would have supported sustained movement, growth, and hunting efficiency. This metabolic advantage may have allowed them to outcompete other contemporary reptiles, including crocodilians and early mammals, giving them a dominant position in ecosystems. The evolution of upright posture also contributed to dinosaur success. Unlike sprawling reptiles such as lizards and crocodiles, most dinosaurs had legs positioned beneath their bodies, allowing for greater speed, endurance, and mobility. This adaptation enabled them to move efficiently, escape predators, hunt, prey, and migrate long distances in search of food or mates. Their limb structure also supported larger body sizes, allowing some species to become the largest animals ever to walk on land, which in turn offered protection from predators and expanded access to resources. Reproduction played a crucial role in their long-term success. Dinosaurs laid eggs, often in nests that were carefully hidden or guarded. Some species likely exhibited parental care, protecting eggs and young from predators. The ability to produce multiple offspring at once, combined with protective strategies, increased the likelihood that some individuals would survive to adulthood. This reproductive strategy, along with rapid growth rates seen in many dinosaurs, allowed populations to sustain themselves even in challenging environments or during periods of ecological change. Dinosaurs also benefited from their evolutionary innovations, such as feathers and specialized teeth. Feathers, which likely first appeared in small theropods, may have provided insulation, display, and even the ability to glide or fly in some species. Specialized teeth and jaw structures allowed dinosaurs to exploit a wide variety of diets, from tough conifer needles and cycads to meat and horns, frills, crests, and armor plates provided defense, social signaling, and even demonstrating their ability to adapt physically to a variety of ecological challenges. Environmental factors also played a role in dinosaur success. During the Mesozoic era, the climate was generally warmer, with high levels of atmospheric oxygen and extensive vegetation. Continents were arranged differently, creating diverse habitats and opportunities for dinosaurs thrived in this warm, resource-rich world, expanding across nearly all terrestrial environments. Their ability to adapt to different climates, food sources, and ecological pressures allowed them to survive for tens of millions of years, outlasting many other contemporary animal groups. Social behavior may have further contributed to their dominance. Evidence from fossil trackless nesting sites and bone beds suggests that many dinosaurs lived in groups or herds. Herd behavior provided protection from predators, coordinated hunting, and efficient migration to new feeding grounds. Communication through vocalization, visual display, and possibly even color patterns helped dinosaurs navigate complex social interactions, establish dominance, and attract mates. Such behaviors likely increased survival rates and reproductive success. Another important factor was their resilience to environmental changes. Dinosaurs survived multiple ecological shifts, including fluctuations in sea levels, volcanic activity, and climate changes. Their adaptability allowed them to exploit new niches, migrate when necessary, and outcompete other species. Their evolutionary flexibility was one of the reasons they were able to persist for over 160 million years. A span far longer than mammals had dominated land ecosystems at the time. Finally, dinosaurs' extinction at the end of the Cretaceous does not diminish their success. They were thriving until a sudden cataclysmic event, likely a massive asteroid impact, combined with volcanic activity, drastically changed global ecosystems. Despite this, their legacy continues today in birds, which are modern avian dinosaurs. Birds inherit the evolutionary innovations of their dinosaur ancestors, from feathers to advanced respiratory systems, demonstrating the enduring impact of these ancient creatures. The success of dinosaurs is a story of adaptability, diversity, and resilience. Their physiological innovations, ecological flexibility, reproductive strategies, social behaviors, and evolutionary creativity allowed them to dominate Earth for over 165 million years. They adapted to every challenge, exploited every niche, and thrived in conditions that would have eliminated less versatile species. Understanding why dinosaurs were so successful not only illuminates the history of life on Earth, but also offers insights into evolution, adaptation, and survival strategies that continue to resonate in the natural world today. Dinosaurs were not just successful, they were extraordinary. From their incredible variety and complex behaviors to their anatomical innovations and ecological dominance, they represent one of the most remarkable chapters in Earth's biological history. Studying their success helps scientists understand the processes that allow life to flourish over geological time and reveals the intricate connections between physiology, behavior, environment, and evolution. Their story is a testament to the power of adaptation and the resilience of life. A story that continues to inspire wonder, exploration, and discovery, even millions of years after their extinction. Even today, paleontologists continue to uncover new species, each one revealing more about why dinosaurs were able to thrive for so long. Feathered theropods, massive sauropods, armored ankylosaurs, and horned ceratopsians all demonstrate unique strategies that contributed to their survival. Fossilized nests, trackways, and evidence of herding behavior show that social interactions played a significant role in survival. Analysis of growth rings and bones reveals rapid growth rates that allowed young dinosaurs to reach sizes large enough to deter predators. Teeth and jaw structures show highly specialized adaptations for feeding in a variety of environments. Environmental adaptability, evolutionary innovation, and social complexity combined to make dinosaurs one of the most successful groups of animals in Earth's history. They adapted to forests, plains, deserts, and polar regions. They survived minor environmental changes and thrived during periods of abundance. Their evolutionary creativity allowed them to exploit new niches, giving them a competitive advantage over other animals. In many ways, dinosaurs exemplify what it means to be successful in the natural world. Diverse, adaptable, resilient, and enduring. Dinosaurs' dominance of Mesozoic ecosystems reshaped the planet's landscapes, influenced the evolution of plants, and created predator-prey dynamics that shaped entire ecosystems. Their physiological, behavioral, and ecological innovations ensured that they could survive in nearly every terrestrial habitat. From the smallest feathered dinosaur capable of gliding through forests to the largest sauropod that fed on trees. Dinosaurs exploited a wide range of resources, demonstrating extraordinary versatility and efficiency. In summary, dinosaur success was not due to a single factor, but to a combination of evolutionary, ecological, behavioral, and environmental advantages. Their incredible diversity, advanced physiology, upright posture, reproductive strategies, evolutionary innovations, social behavior, and adaptability to changing environments allowed them to thrive for millions of years. Even today, their legacy lives on in birds, reminding us that the strategies that made dinosaurs so successful continue to influence life on Earth. Their story is a testament to the power of evolution, adaptation, and resilience, offering valuable lessons about survival, creativity, and the enduring complexity of life.